Cleaning companies can't wait weeks for a bank to decide. One slow maybe can cost you a contract, a van, or your peace of mind. Simplified Funding was built for speed. Here's what happens behind the scenes when you request a business line of credit. Up to $500,000, often funded in just 24 to 48 hours. First, fill out a quick online form. No stacks of paperwork, just clear questions about your business, revenue, and what you need to keep jobs running. Then our team and smart technology review your info fast. We verify your business, look at cash flow, and set a credit limit tailored to how you actually operate. Once approved, your credit line is ready. Draw what you need. Cover payroll, replace a broken extractor, or boost marketing between busy seasons. Simple steps, real people, and fast decisions. That's how we keep your operations spotless while your cash flow stays flexible. Apply now and keep your business moving.